Cajun queen, sweet Dixie plow, the belle of the bayou, you're every young man's dream. Adalina, I'd walk through a hurricane to stand beside the sweet Adalina. I'd swim the Pontchartrain. Oh no, I hear you coming down the road with your cotton dresses swishing. You're getting some attention from all the boys in Thibodeau. Oh my, you're really filling up their eyes, smiling and a winking. I know what they'll be thinking, but I'm the only one who loves you so. Adalina, pretty little Cajun queen, sweet Dixie flower, belle of the bayou, you're every young man's dream. Adalina, walk through a hurricane to stand beside the sweet Adalina. I'd swim the Pontchartrain. I'll pick it one time. Oh no, the hottest little dish I know. I know that you can tell it, picking you so jealous from my head down to my toes. Oh me, you can make a redneck green. The way that you're looking, you got me a-cooking, and I ain't taking my head to bed. Pretty little Cajun queen, sweet Dixie flower, the belle of the bayou, you're every young man's dream. Adalina, I walk through a hurricane to stand beside the sweet Adalina. I swim the hurricane to stand beside the sweet Adalina, to stand beside the sweet Adalina, to stand beside the sweet Adalina. I'd swim the Pontchartrain. Oh, yeah. Little Cajun Adalina from way down there.